Hi children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. So during this summer holidays, we started our online classes from Wednesday onwards. So soon children collect your books. During the summer holidays, dream big, stay positive, work hard and enjoy the journey, complete the homework and submit in the Hi-Fi app. So we will put attendance for you and those who complete your homeworks, and we will give you a credit points. And today we are going to see 7th standard number system, chapter number 1. Do you know what is meant by number system? Okay, let me see now. A collections of things usually called numbers. Okay, the things which are represented as numbers and which together with operations on those numbers and properties. And here operation which represented as addition, subtraction, multiplications and divisions. Okay, so these are all the collections of numbers which are represented as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So this is named as number system. In this number system, now we are going to see the natural numbers, and it was divided into more parts. And first one is natural numbers, and second one is whole numbers, and then third one is fractions. Okay, so do you know what is meant by natural numbers? You studied up to 5th standard, I think so. Okay, now I am going to explain you what is meant by natural numbers. Natural numbers, other name is counting numbers. Okay, natural numbers, another name is counting numbers, and the numbers which starts from 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, so up to infinity, there is no finite numbers for you, and it is infinite numbers. Up to infinity you have natural numbers. Okay, and then whole numbers, the number which starts from 0. Okay, so now what is the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers is the natural numbers, the number which starts from 1, and for the whole numbers, the numbers which starts from 0. Okay, so every time the value will be increases for all the natural numbers and also the whole numbers. Okay, and next we move on to the fractions. Okay, do you know what is meant by fractions? So it is the equal parts. Okay, fractions are the equal parts of a whole expressed in the form of P by Q method. ஒரு circle இருக்கு, இந்த circleல 6 parts இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? So 6 parts which represented as a denominator value, and how many parts it was shaded. So எத்தனை parts வந்து shade ஆயிருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறது, which was represented as a P value. Okay, and which is Q is not equal to 0. Say once again, repeat once again. Fractions are equal parts of a whole expressed in the form of P by Q method, and Q is always not equal to 0. And next we move on to the integers. Okay, so here integers is a set of numbers. Integers is always represented as a set of numbers that can be positive or negative or 0. Okay, so this is the number line. Okay, in this number line, the center part which represented as 0, we will call it as center part is 0 from your right side. From your right side, and this is all positive numbers, and from the left side, and these are all the negative numbers. Okay, now say the definitions. Integers is a set of numbers. In integers, it is a set of numbers. It can be represented as a positive number, negative number or 0. Okay, so this is the definitions of integers. And in the positive side of the number line is +1 is less than 0. So here positive integers, the bigger the number, bigger value. Okay, so here what they are given means, in the positive values அடுத்தடுத்து வர biggest numbers இருக்கா, லாஸ்டா என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கோ, so that is the bigger value. And in the negative numbers, the number which is smaller, so this is the biggest value. ஓகே, -1 தான் இருக்கிறதுலே பெரிய நம்பர் அப்படின்றத சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ இந்த பாசிட்டிவ் சைடில் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, ஸோ அடுத்தடுத்து வர இன்க்ரீசிங் நம்பர்ஸ் தான் வந்து பிக்கெஸ்ட் வேல்யூ. ஸோ இந்த நெகட்டிவ் கண்டென்ட், அண்ட் ஹியர் in the conclusions they are given you a highlighted with a positive integers, bigger the number, bigger value. With the negative integers, bigger the number, smaller the value. Okay, and today's session is over children, and today's homework is draw the following integers on the number line, and you can use the number line and mark the integers. All take your class work write chapter number 1 and also write the definitions of natural numbers, whole numbers, and then fractions, and then integers I already explained to you. Listen the class properly and write the definitions for that, and then you have to write the points of this positive integers and also the negative integers, and you have to draw the number line. Okay, and for example here the number line is given here, no? See exercise 1.1. so 0 is given here. You just point it, you have to draw the number line and you have to point it out like this. Okay, so 0 we have to put a point like this, and see plus 3 is given here, so you have to mark it as plus 3. So where it is plus 3, from your right side plus 3 irukku, so you have to put a dot like this. So you have to complete exercise 1.1 first problem fully you have to complete, and then you have to complete all the definitions which I said. It is in the book page number 1 and 2. Okay children, complete your homework, submit your homeworks in the Hi-Fi app. We will give you the credit points for you. Thank you children.